Alright, what we have here is my version of the robot controller. We're running a parallax propeller. It's on the propeller platform. I got that from Gadget Gangster. But we're running a 74HC595N right here that's reading 32 inputs and only utilizing 6 IOs. Then we have a group of 5 more here that's running 2 ADCs, which are MCP 3208s, and between the two we have 16 channels. We're sampling all 16 and 32 in-outs at the same time. On the chip we're actually using 4 of the processors. One of the cogs is running the 7.4, one cog is running the ADCs, another cog is running the main program organizing the orchestra, then we have the final 4th cog running a serial program to communicate to the PC, just for debug purposes. And well, I'll give you a little test run. What we have on screen is the serial terminal, which is the PST by Parallax, running on COM6, which is reading the signal from the prop. And as you can see on the digital inputs along the top, which is sampling all these, which of course this is only 8 of the total 32, and we can read any one in particular. And I just entered, we need to go back to the main screen. If I press 1, 1 will take us to this main debug, which you can see the first status bit. And if you look real close, you can see the 4-bit I/O bus flicker, and that says it samples. I don't know if it will show up on the video or not. And then the second bit here, it's going to take us to a sample, which will give us a screenshot of a little program for joystick position, which turns out a little jerky with the frame rate again, but hey, what can you do? It's actually really smooth. And then a quick little drawing version of the same thing. And our last button will clear this screen, which can demonstrate an issue with some of these controllers. If you want to, as you go all the way over and scroll up, you'll notice they're not actually squared, as one would assume. Okay, that's that. And we can clear that out. Go back to the main, and if you notice the screen is pretty quick. The response of the buttons, it's still sampling 32, and it's fairly quick. As I can tap these fast, it will go. When I did a scope test, I was sampling all 32 and writing back to the main hub in a half a millisecond, which is more than is really required. I have not sampled how quick I'm reading all 16 ADCs, but the response is fairly quick, and I don't think it's going to be a concern. Alright, that'll do it for now. Talk to you later.